Good evening and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Nana Serene and you're watching our news bulletin, The Reality Rundown. Let's have a quick look at the latest updates. TMC MP Sushmita Dev has refuted Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma's claim about the state's Muslim population in 1951, stating it was 25%, not 12%. Dev criticized Sharma's figures, questioned the absence of a recent census, and highlighted the incomplete sealing of the Indo-Bangladesh border. Salimuddin, a notorious criminal serving a life sentence for the 2012 abduction and murder of Naz from Bhangabazar, has been transferred from Karimganj District Jail to Jorhat Jail. The transfer follows allegations of unethical practices within the jail. Tensions flared in Dibrugarh after Bhim Rajak, the manager of Dibrugarh Gymkhana Club, was found dead under mysterious circumstances. Razak was discovered hanging inside the club premises, leading to immediate suspicion and unrest among the local community. The latest report towards justice ending child marriage reveals an impressive 81% reduction in child marriage cases across 20 districts in Assam between 2021 to 22 and 2023 to 24. Released on July 17, the World Day for International Justice, the report credits this success to the Assam state government's initiatives and the impact of rigorous prosecution. Manipur police have arrested Khangembam Sanatan, also known as Sanatamba Singh, 53, in connection with the murder of Mirange Chiru, a member of the Chiru tribe. The accused was brought before the court of the JMFC Imphal West 1 and has been remanded to 8 days of police custody. The National Students' Union of India Manipur unit has backed a hunger strike by students of Dhanamanjari University protesting the staffing crisis. The protest, initially at the university's administration block, has been relocated to the Thangme Band Meisnam Leikai Community Hall to heighten public awareness and draw attention to the pressing issues at the university. Devotees from all over India have converged in Mathura for the Mudya Purnima Mela, beginning on July 15th. This sacred event, coinciding with Guru Purnima, attracts numerous pilgrims seeking spiritual solace and blessings. Scheduled until July 21st, with peak attendance anticipated on July 20 to 21, authorities have implemented comprehensive safety measures to ensure a secure and comfortable experience for all participants. Today, Orissa Governor Raghubar Das visited Baba Baidyanath Dham in Deoghar, Jharkhand, emphasizing his commitment to avoiding inconvenience for devotees during the Sawan month. Expressing concern about VIP darshan arrangements, he arrived early to offer prayers, ensuring a seamless experience for all worshippers visiting the revered pilgrimage site. Following relentless rainfall in Uttar Kannada, a major landslide occurred near Shirur in Ankola Taluk along National Highway 66, resulting in the tragic deaths of 4 individuals. As rescue efforts continue, 3 others remain missing, underscoring the severe impact of the natural disaster in the region. In a significant operation, the Gujarat ATS has dismantled a drug manufacturing unit located in Surat's Palsana Taluka, seizing raw materials valued at around Rs 20 crores. 2 individuals have been apprehended in connection with the illicit activities. Following the bust, the factory has been securely sealed off as investigations into the case continue under the supervision of Gujarat ATS DIG Sunil Joshi. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.